Hey everyone, come follow along with me and my girls to work on 3 easy do-it-yourself holiday decorations at home. First things first, I'm going to clean our floors with Weiman hardwood floor cleaner. It is very important for me to keep our floors clean before and after every single project. And our very first project is going to be a garland made out of paper. You can grab construction paper or stock paper, whatever your preference is and whatever color. And all you do is cut it up in strips. To start off your garland, first you grab one piece of paper and make a circle and glue each end to it. Then you just keep adding papers in between each circle and glue each end to it and continue making circles until you get it to the size that you like. I had both girls make 2 separate garlands for our Christmas tree. Once your garland is completely dry, you want to take it and just place it on your tree. Super easy and fun for the kids to do. And now let's make some homemade snow globes. These are always a lot of fun to make and super easy. All these items you see here, you can find at your local craft store. The first thing you want to do is glue down your figurines with hot glue. You do want to wait 24 hours before submerging these in water. Now you'll take your confetti glitter or just regular glitter and pour it into your snow globe. You'll pour water and mix it with a stir stick. Now you'll take the cap that we put your figurines in and push it in until it's completely tight and closed. Then you'll screw the lid to it and give it a nice shake and just look at your snow globe go. Now it's time for the girls to make their own. If your children are small like mine, you'll definitely want to help them out during this step. You'll pour the water in there for them and also help them put their cap where their figurines are inside their snow globe. Make sure to tightly close it so you don't have any water spillage. And now for the fun part, just give it a little shake and see them go. These snow globes are always so much fun to make and the kids always love them. And now for our final do-it-yourself decoration at home are our Christmas trees. These are always so much fun to make because you can either put them on your wall as art, on your fridge, or even make them into ornaments for your Christmas tree. The first thing you want to do for this project is grab some stock paper or construction paper and cut out Christmas tree and also the trunk of the tree. After gluing the tree and the trunk together, you'll want to grab some puff balls, some stars, buttons, anything your heart desires to decorate your Christmas tree. After decorating your Christmas tree, you want to let it air dry till it's completely dry, and then you can put it anywhere you like, either on your wall, your fridge, or your Christmas tree. After we're done with our projects, I'm going to clean our floors once again to get all the glitter and glue off our floors. I really love using the Weiman hardwood floor cleaner because it's safe to use around my family. And last but not least, I love using the Weiman hardwood floor high traffic polish and restore. It helps restore our floors and polishes them, leaving them super shiny and clean. And there you have it, friends. 3 different projects that you can work with your little ones at home and help you decorate around the house. I would love to hear which projects you will be making with your little ones below, so let me know. And make sure to grab your Weiman hardwood floor cleaner next time you head to the store.